Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a triple Louis Vuitton unboxing, and two of these items are really hard to get, which I'm so lucky I was able to get them. So I want to kind of unbox them for you guys. I have not seen two of these items in person at all. I bought them online, and the other ones my SA shipped them to me. So I just got them out of the box, of the shipping box, because it's kind of ugly, and to kind of show you guys. So let's open the first one. There is one item here that I already unboxed for you guys before, but I repurchased it. So I want to show you guys. So let's start with the tiny one. I think it's in here, so that's why let's go with the tiny one. So let's open it up. I wanted to buy these two items, this item and this item in this box, to kind of give you guys a comparison on both as well. I think it would be helpful for a couple people. This one that I got actually is discontinued, I think, and they no longer sell it. It was not online. I was not able to get it online. My SA had to get it for me, and actually it's supposed to be a gift, and he was not able to get more because I wanted to get two because they're gifts. I'll show you guys right now what they are. Okay, so let's unbox it, my favorite part. So the little card. If you guys don't know what these are the it's just like if you're gonna gift it, they wrap it really nice. They do that for the online. They wrap them, and then it's like the little card, really cute. And let's open it up. So this one was wrapped online. So this is how it came. It just comes in a brown box. If you guys have seen my other unboxings, you guys have seen them. It's just a brown box. Okay. So this is how the box looks, and it kind of broke probably in the shipping, the tissue paper, but it always comes with these cute stickers. Let's see if I don't rip it. Okay, I kind of ripped it. Okay, and every time you buy online, it came different. So the box inside is different from the other ones I've had. That's probably why I was moving around. Usually they come in a different type of box that this fits in it, and then so since this is a gift, I opened the other one last time, but I'm not going to open this one up. But I'll open mine. Okay, so I'm not going to open this one, but I'm going to open mine, the one that I opened last time. I'm going to show you guys the comparison with the other one. Okay, so anyways, these are the two perfume samples. They kind of came smashed because of the same thing. But when you get buy the perfume set, this is a miniature perfume set. I'll insert the picture below, and I'll put the video down below so you guys can kind of see. But it usually comes with two samples. So since it's a gift, let's move it out of the way. And let's open this up. This is, I'll just wait till I open it. So this one, my SA wrapped it for me in a cute little box. Okay. Let's take the string out. And you guys have seen this packaging before. The last time I bought my set and my SA sent it. I think you guys saw it. I'm not sure if I filmed it. Maybe I did. Okay, so this is the men one. See, it says for men. So I'm going to open this one up so you guys can see it. My SA said they're no longer available. I looked for it everywhere online and I was not able to find it. So I'm guessing maybe they don't make it anymore. But this would be like a perfect Father's Day gift. That's why I bought it. So let's open it up so I can show you guys how it looks. So this one, okay, so the other one that you guys saw in there, that one's 10, that one has 7 bottles of 10 millimeters. And it retails, I think, $300 something. I'll put a picture below. It's usually always sold out online. And then this one, and then the other one, this is, the top is gold. This one is like a black color. And then same goes for right here. I'll show you guys the comparison. Ooh, came open. Okay, so they're already loose. As you can see, this is kind of damaged a little bit. Okay. So it comes with 5 fragrances compared to the other one that has 7. But it has the orange. Probably saying it wrong. But it comes with that one. I'm not going to try to say it, but it has this one. It has this one. And this one retails for like 200 something. I'll put a picture below. This one. And it comes with this one. This one smells really good. I've smelled this one before. This one and the orangey. I'm probably saying it wrong. These two have to be my favorite of the guy perfumes. I've never smelled this one. I need to smell it. And I haven't smelled these three. They smell pretty good. I have not smelled these two. But it was like a little set that came out. And we ordered it online. Well, he ordered it for me. I was not able to get it myself. It was sold out. It's been sold out for a while, so I was not able to get it. But I'm going to open my set, and then stay tuned. I will make a part 2 of this video, and I'll compare how the sets look if you guys are interested in that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys what I've been waiting for. So I've been waiting for this for a long time already. This is just a receipt for this one. Okay, I've been waiting for it for the longest time. I want to say I talked about it in my other video. I don't know if you guys seen it, but anyways, these are my receipts. But I've been wanting this item for a while. I've been telling my SA, you know, if you get it at the store, let me know. And he was like, no, we don't have any. So when I texted him that I needed those sets, he's like, hey, you know what? One came in the store. So this is a very, very, very rare item that it's hard to get. It's very popular, but it's hard to get since everybody wants it. But I'm so excited to look at it. I have never seen it in person since it's always sold out. So let's open it up. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these online multiple times. So what do you guys think it is? So cute. I already have the insert. I bought the insert and I didn't get to see it. So anyways, this is the Toiletry 26. And it's made in Paris, France. You guys can see it. It's not focusing. Sorry, it's hard for you guys to see. Let me see if I put my hand behind it. Nope. Okay, anyways, it's not focusing, but it's made in Paris. I mean, it's made in France, but it says Paris right there. And then it's gold hardware. I will be doing a video soon showing you guys when I put the insert inside and how you can style it. I've seen this bag styled so many ways, which is a really nice way to have a nice bag. Okay, this is Ori cosmetic bag. I'm gonna actually show you guys inside because it doesn't have a date code. Oh, it does have a date code. So this one did come with the date code. Usually they don't have a date code. The items now are having a chip. If you guys have heard of those, a lot of the items now have a little chip inside. They're not longer doing date codes, but this one does have a date code, so that's cool. My other bag that I bought, I think had a chip. But yeah, this is it, and I was super excited. And if you guys are interested in any more videos like this, please feel free to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos. I will be doing how to style this one, which is a very popular item lately, and I will be doing the comparison to the other two videos, so I will make this video super long, and I will see you guys next time. Hopefully this was able to help somebody that's been wanting to purchase these items. Till next time, everybody, bye.